Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. When people hear the word VPN, most of them think of only one thing, and that is bypassing banned sites. This is true. This is my personal experience I am sharing with you. Most of them think of only one thing, and that is bypassing banned sites. You know banned sites. But actually VPNs are much more than that. They act as silent guardians to protect your online privacy. Okay, so say for example you are not using a VPN and you are using public Wi-Fi network. Say for example in an airport or a cafe or your college, and you are making online transactions, bank transactions, or you are sending private messages. So in that case, what might happen? If a hacker is present, then they can easily steal your private conversations, messages, banking details, etc. That means your privacy is at risk, might be at risk if a hacker is present. But if you use a VPN, then what happens actually? VPNs, they actually encrypt your internet traffic. This is the advantage. This is the main purpose of using VPN. They encrypt your internet traffic. So even if a hacker is present and the hacker is stealing your encrypted data, what they can see is nothing but gibberish. Means they cannot decode that encrypted data. So that encrypted data becomes useless to them, to the hackers. It is like sending a letter in a sealed armored envelope. Only your VPN provider and your destination website can decode the actual thing. But anyone else, they cannot do anything. They cannot decode your messages or what or anything. Okay, whatever you have done so far using that internet, they cannot, means anyone else cannot decode all those things. Not only this thing, VPN actually masks your IP address, replacing it with one from another location. So to the outside world, your online identity becomes untraceable. Not only this thing, this makes it much harder for the trackers, for the advertisers, for the hackers to know who, to make a profile of who you are or what you browse. They are unable to make your profile of who you are or what you browse. I am talking about hackers, advertisers, trackers. Okay. And not only this thing, if you can use wisely this VPN, then this actually form the first lines of defense in the war against cyber theft and digital espionage. Okay, that means what? Without a VPN, if you are not using a VPN, that means without a VPN, it is like you are walking naked in a digital crowd. And with a VPN, what happens? With a VPN, you are clothed in layers of encryption, privacy, and anonymity. But I should be clear at this point that VPNs are not a magic wand. They won't make you invincible, or they are not able to fix your poor online habits. You know poor online habits? It is known to you, I should not mention here. So VPNs are not able to fix your poor online habits. Actually, VPNs are not for breaking boundaries. These are actually for building a fortress around your privacy. If you respect your privacy, then you should use VPN. If you respect your privacy, okay, so you should. And if you want to keep yourself safe, okay, for safety, for the purpose of safety also, VPN is needed. Okay, if you can think wisely, then you should use VPN. But one important thing is there, that is if you use a Google Play Store to download VPNs, so free versions as well as paid or premium versions are available. But I am not sure about free versions. Okay, I am not sure about free versions. If there is any risk involved if you use free versions of VPN apps. Okay, but premium versions or paid versions, I am not saying that you should be blind. Okay, when you are using premium or paid versions. Anyway, you now know the use of VPN. Whether those VPN providers are doing right or wrong thing, that is not known to me. Okay, so before that, before installing VPNs, okay, you should collect proper information. So many, actually, if you search that Google Play Store, you can find so many VPN apps are there. Free versions are there, paid or premium versions are also there. So before installing to your device, you should collect information properly. Okay? Correct information you should collect, and then only you should use this thing. So you can see actually, if you use VPN, what is the actual advantage. So just keep in your mind that VPNs are not used, or purpose of creating such apps is not just to bypass banned sites. Actually, much more than that. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, and this is the end of this video. If you found this video informative, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.